kitchen is where the magic is made.
Hi, I'm Holly, your friendly neighborhood carnivore. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. Today we are going to be making a very simple, super easy recipe, just 2 ingredients to make my super easy lazy day mayo. Now, why do we want to make our own mayo? Well, if you're on the carnivore diet like I am, it's very hard to find a mayonnaise that isn't either made with seed oils or other types of oils. You can find some avocado oil mayonnaise if you read the ingredients carefully and it just has avocado oil. It's definitely safer and better than eating the ones full of seed oils. However, avocado oil technically isn't carnivore, so if you are really going hard and trying to stay with only the animal fats, I've got a solution for you. And it's not hard at all to make your own mayonnaise. Mine is a lot more simplified than other recipes out there. I only have 2 ingredients in it. And because this is my super easy, lazy day mayo, I really try to make this on the day I'm going to eat it. You can put it in the fridge for a few days and come back to it. It will harden up a bit in the fridge and you'll have to let it sit and come to room temperature to kind of soften up so you can use it again. But this is great to spread on sandwiches. This is great as the base for a dip. All kinds of things you can do with this mayo. So our 2 ingredients is going to simply be an animal fat of your choosing and egg yolks. That's it, just 2 ingredients. So as far as animal fat goes, you have many options out there. You could use butter, or you could use ghee. That's what I'm gonna be using today. You could use bacon grease, which makes a delicious mayo. I'm talking like fantastic on a sandwich or anything else. That bacony flavor is just, oh, so good. You could use lard. You could use beef tallow. You could use lamb tallow, duck fat, any type of fat that you enjoy cooking with or the flavor of. That's what you can use for the base of your mayo. So today I'm gonna be using ghee and I got a couple of eggs. We're just gonna be using the yolks. That's gonna be it. This is going to be very quick and very simple. And here we go, let's get started. All right, so I have got my egg yolks here. That's 2 egg yolks. And then right here, I'm going to measure out some ghee. When you get your fat, it doesn't need to be melted, but it does need to be room temperature. Cooking with Holly Smith, making messes her whole life. All right, you do not have to have an exact measurement. You need about 1/4 cup. Could do a little more, could do a little less. Measure with your heart. It is up to you. Okay. Let's get the rest of that ghee off the counter that I spilled there. All right, we've got our ghee. Gonna toss in our yolks. All we gotta do now and we're done. Is that not just the fastest, easiest mayo you have ever made? With that beautiful, creamy texture. It's so light and fluffy. You don't have to buy mayonnaise ever again. That came together so fast. It's going to be delicious. Just perfect. 2 simple ingredients, you can't go wrong with that. Let's give it a bit of a taste. I love this made with the ghee instead of just regular butter, although butter mayo is fantastic as well. And if you're a big fan of brown butter, maybe try it with some brown butter. I think that would be really good too. I hope you guys enjoyed this super easy, super quick recipe. I hope y'all will make it and let me know what you think. See how it worked out for you guys. Please do all the YouTube things for me. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, that little notification bell so that you get alerted whenever I have a new recipe popping up. And also, please leave me a comment. I love talking to you guys in the comments. Feel free to find me over on X at Carnivore Friend or on Instagram at Friendly Neighborhood Carnivore, where every day I will post exactly what I've been eating throughout the day. Love to see you guys over there. I love being a part of this community, and just come say hi. Thank you guys so much. I will see y'all next time when we are cooking up something delicious in the kitchen. Thanks, bye.
She's the friendly neighborhood carnivore with a talent for cooking up a meaty uproar. From juicy steaks to sizzling ribs galore, she'll have you coming back for more. Fellas, smash that like button. She's the carnivore cooking queen. On your screen, bringing the meaty scene. Come on over and join the team for